I think where television advertising is concerned, I believe that it plays the role of building salience and preference amongst consumers. So if they see an Axis Bank ad, it is going to create some sort of a recall for the brand, and they may consider it the next time they want to do something with banking, right? So the two things that it does is basically build spontaneous recall and say, ah, okay, I want to go to a bank, let me go to Axis. And if they have to make a choice between, you know, many banks, they'll say, okay, I'll shortlist Axis. I think that's really what advertising does. So when we are looking at what kind of a creative idea to work with, I think the most important thing is that it has to be rooted in insight, and it has to be something that is important and relevant for the people who we are targeting. If you see our current communication, which is on Badhti Ka Naam Zindagi, it's a insight where people in India want to progress today. They're optimistic about progress. They want to do better. They want to better their lives. And the fact that when they progress, other people progress with them, actually makes progress far more inclusive, and it makes it a good word, because as you prosper, other people prosper with you. So I think, we look for big insights and big ideas on which we can pitch the bank. So I think in rural the challenges are that of reach. Definitely the public sector banks have a far bigger reach than we do. But the issue of building recall and awareness for Axis Bank continues. We rebranded ourselves about 4-5 years ago. So it's not a established name of like 20-30 years, right? So when you go into rural, first people need to know which bank are you. Tum ho kaun, kahan se aaye ho? Which bank are you? So I think that's important for us to establish. And then we have to actually take the product route where we craft products which are more specific to their needs and actually bring them into our fold. So I think those are really the challenges. I think customer centricity is the most important thing. We are in a service industry. We are also in an industry which is highly regulated. And I think the most important thing for a leader in BFSI is to be completely oriented around the customer, and at all points in time do what is right for the customer. I think that's the most important trait that a leader in BFSI needs to have.